My name's Jack Nedzer and I'm the Senior Electrical Automation Engineer here at Axon Power and Control. So Axon designs, builds and installs electrical control systems which automate machinery. The electrical control systems we build have a wide range of scope, from the crushing and screening industry all the way up to Formula One simulators. So my role, I would oversee the automation department. So as we're building the software, it's going to be how that machine, the electrical and mechanical piece together, and how all of that then finally works and runs for the end customer. The thing I love most about my job is it's very varying. Every day is different. One day I could be in the office writing PLC software from scratch. The other days I could be in the workshop assisting with the manufacture of the product, and other days I could be on site with the final commissioning, seeing the whole thing come together at the end. With the commissioning side, we would have to travel to sites. It's taken me across England, Scotland, France, all over Europe actually, which is something I enjoy doing. And when you arrive there, nothing's working, and it's really rewarding then to see everything running by the time we're finished. So after my GCSEs, I enrolled for A-levels. After my first year of AS, I decided that I didn't want to go to university and it wasn't something I wanted to pursue. So I looked at other options and I found an apprenticeship in electrical and electronic engineering. So once I completed my apprenticeship, I took a job in the design office, creating drawings and schematic drawings. And then from there, I could see that the software was really what controlled the machine. So then I wanted to take that next step into the automation side and start writing the software, which then gave me the full scope from start to finish, from building the product with my hands, to designing the drawings, to creating the software that runs the full machine. I think some of the biggest misconceptions in working within manufacturing is that it could become a bit static. You know, it's a production line, manufacturing-based role, but there are so many different routes for progression, not only just into an engineering route, but into sales, into procurement. You know, there's numerous avenues that you can pursue. At Axon Power and Control, our managing director is a female. She's brilliant. I work very closely with her on a daily basis. We have female apprentices and female design engineers, so from the top all the way through the business. The female representation within the industry is far less than male, but there is no reason that it needs to be. The future of AI is very unknown. I can very much see how it's going to take the software role of creating a website, because it's low risk, there's no real moving parts. Whereas with the industrial automation, that software is controlling heavy machinery where lives are at risk. There needs to be a person at the end of that making sure that when this goes live, there is going to be no risk to the machine or to the people using it. Therefore, I can't see a world where AI is going to replace or remove the role of an automation engineer in the industrial. At Axon Power and Control, there is various roles that people can step into. Being an electrical control panel manufacturer, we have lots of different departments which suit lots of different skill sets. Not only are there entry-level positions, but there's continual progression and learning for people to progress through the business, develop themselves whilst we grow the business. From my perspective, going down the apprenticeship route helped me not only build the foundational skills and getting a hands-on approach, but also I was earning whilst I was learning. And by the time I finished my apprenticeship, I had my qualifications, but I also had 4 to 5 years industry experience, which then helped me secure the next step in my career.